Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to add your email signature into your Gmail. First step is to open your browser and on the search bar type in www.canva.com. Now it will lead you to the homepage of the Canva, and here on the search bar type in email signature. Now press enter. And here you can see different templates. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, then make sure that you are choosing this free template. Choose any of the design that you prefer. Here I am choosing this one. Now click on customize this template. Now you can edit your information by clicking on this. After editing your information, click on share and download this image. After download is completed, open your Gmail account. Now here on the top right corner you can see settings option. Click on settings and here click on see all settings. After that, scroll down a little bit until you find this signature option. Click on create new. Now here type in the signature name. Now click on create. Now here you can see the option insert image. Click on it. Now open the image that you have just uploaded from the Canva. After that, here you can see two options. If you want to put this signature in every email you send, you can just click on here and select your signature name. Now scroll down and click on save changes. After that, you can see that if you create a new email here, this signature will automatically be uploaded. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.